Hello, teacher. I am Wilber Osvaldo Canon Concha, and I hope that you are fine. I'm studying in the Facultad of Matemáticas of Wadi. I'm 18 years old, and I am from second semester of computer engineer. My major is about the combination of code or software with the physical part or hardware of a computer, mixing maths with book solutions and methods to solve some problems or simply job with some machine that can be used in different tasks where it needs to be used. Basically, this is the current major that is high sought in the labor field because it is responsible for part of automation and innovation of new long-term projects. It is also in charge of developing computer systems. In this moment, I have a knowledge in programs with Python, C Sharp, C++, JavaScript, and work with Arduinos before that use a space of C language. These languages are so important to my major. Basically, it's based on that. It's a way to the programmer can communicate with his computer or his programs, like a binary traductor. The computer only can understand zeros and one, off or on basically. The computers work this way and make that everything works well, and commonly the programs like Visual Studio Code, Dev C++ or others can be used to programs with a purpose. For example, in Programación 1 of my course, recently I worked in a code of C++ with object-oriented programming to solve a sum of matrices of any order with random elements of 0 to 9. This is useful to develop new technologies, electronic systems, and new programming models. Also develop solutions to failures related to the software of a machine. Personally, I would like working in part of computer solution and software and computer network development. In companies like Tesla, Epic Games, Visual Studio Code, Steam, Unity, Google, Microsoft, or some banking company local. Basically, everything that can we use related with new technologies like cell phones, computer, the TVs or controllers. It's programmed with different language like C++, C Sharp, Ruby, Python, and in my major we focus on program with this language, and in occasions can be change the structure of every language, and some occasions can be so confused, like for example Python is the most easily language actually, and C++ is one of the most difficult language to learn. In this moment I know about C++ and Python, and I can say that that's right. C++ is so difficult than Python. And to the future, this is so useful because we live in a world that innovation is the priority, and every day, every time we release new discovers and develop some new programs, new ways to learn to applicate that. For example, in this moment the AI is so popular, and everything like AI like chat GPT or DeepSeek are programming with different language.